It's that time of year where we get out our spring seeds and start planting some of these indoors. So I'm more in central Wisconsin, and so some of these things I have to start ahead, but we can go ahead and plant our lettuce right away. And so the reason I went with this kit was because of all the different varieties of lettuce. You have the Swiss chard, the butter crunch, the lettuce, the romaine, the spinach, and the kale. But I was also excited to get kohlrabi and zucchini, as well as the celery and the okra. So I was definitely excited about those, and I really wanted the cauliflower, the broccoli. I plan to start my radishes right now, as well as my carrots, beets, and then you've got some turnips and parsnips in here as well. I'll do a couple of the peas and the beans. I'm planting quite a bit of the tomatoes and bell peppers. The corn, obviously, we can just kind of throw in anywhere. I have a lot of basil, but I do like growing it in the winter, so I'll definitely be using that. And then here on the farm, we'll go ahead and throw some seeds around of the pumpkins, the watermelons, cantaloupes, and the winter squash. And then, of course, I'll put a couple cucumbers, but I plant those sparingly because they do provide quite a harvest. So I'm really excited for this bundle. It's a lot of seeds that I know I'm going to use.